What is virtual environment in Python? A virtual environment is easy and isolated Python environment that has its own Python interpreter, installed packages, dependency versions. For example, why virtual environment is required? We have 2 3 projects are there. In 2 3 projects we have different versions of packages we are using. At the time this virtual environment is useful. For example, think each project has its own room with its own tools. Changes in one room does not affect in others. So same way, how to create a virtual environment? Python minus m space venv means virtual environment, and we need to provide the name of the virtual environment, my env. Here, see here, I created virtual environment, and after creating virtual environment, it shows as a my env of folder. Then here I am showing as pip install Django, it will install the package. Then I am showing to display how to find the list of the packages which are installed in this project, and how to deactivate the virtual environment. We need to use deactivate. Thank you.